Extracting just month and year separately from Pandas Datetime column. I have a data frame, DF, with the following column. The elements of the column are pandas.tsli.timestamp. I want to just include the year and month. I thought there would be simple way to do it, but I can't figure it out. Here's what I've tried. I got the following error. Then I tried. I got the following error. Any suggestions? Edit, I sort of figured it out. Then, I can resample another column using the index. But I'd still like a method for reconfiguring the entire column. Any ideas?
You can directly access the year and month attributes or request a datetime.datetime. One way to combine year and month is to make an integer encoding them, such as 201408 for August 2014. Along a whole column, you could do this as, or many variants thereof. I'm not a big fan of doing this, though, since it makes date alignment and arithmetic painful later, and especially painful for others who come upon your code or data without this same convention. A better way is to choose a day of month convention, such as final known as holiday weekday, or fast day, etc., and leave the data in a date time format with the chosen date convention. The calendar module is useful for obtaining the number value of certain days, such as the final weekday. Then you could do something like, if you happen to be looking for a way to solve the simpler problem of just formatting the datetime column into some stringified representation, for that you can just make use of the string function from the datetime.datetime class, like this.
If you want new columns showing year and month separately, you can do this. Or then you can combine them or work with them just as they are.
If you want the month-year unique pair, using apply is pretty sleek. Outputs month-year in one column. Don't forget to first change the format to datetime before, I generally forget.
The df, date_column, has to be in datetime format. You could also use d for day, 2m for 2 months, etc. for different sampling intervals, and in case one has time series data with timestamp, we can go for granular sampling intervals such as 45 minutes for 45 minutes, 15 minutes for 15-minute sampling, etc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.